हेलो बच्चों, लेट्स रीड दिस क्वेश्चन. लेट fx equal integration dx upon 3 plus x square square root of 4 minus 3x square and mod of x less than 2 upon square root of 3 if f0 equals 0 and f1 equal 1 upon alpha beta tan inverse alpha upon beta where alpha beta greater than 0 then alpha square plus beta square is equal to. Let's see the solution, bachcho. Before solving the problem, first of all, we will talk about key concept upon which the problem can be solved. अगर हमारे पास इंटीग्रेशन हो dx अपॉन क्वाड्रेटिक एंड स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक, यानी कुछ इस तरह का फॉर्म dx अपॉन ax स्क्वायर प्लस bx प्लस c एंड स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ cx स्क्वायर plus dx plus e, then always put t equal 1 by x or x equal 1 by t. Then we can change the derivative as dx equal minus 1 by t square dt. कुछ इसी तरह के की कॉन्सेप्ट से लेकर हम लोग इस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने वाले हैं. लेट्स सी द सॉल्यूशन. fx equal integration dx upon 3 plus 4x square 4 minus 3x square 3 plus 4x square and the square root of coefficients since 4 minus 3x square. Put x equal 1 by t and we can get dx equal minus 1 by t square dt, and the integration becomes minus 1 upon t square dt. X is 1 by t square, that is 3t square plus 4, upon t square into 4t square minus 3 स्क्वायर रूट, और स्क्वायर रूट से बाहर आया t, that is this becomes t, this t square becomes cancel and this becomes minus, ये t ऊपर चला गया, that is t of dt upon 3t square plus 4 into 4t square minus. Now since this is looking like as complicated function, just put it as z square. Put 4 t square minus 3 as z square, and this becomes 8t dt equal twice of z dz, and 4t dt becomes z dz, and therefore t dt becomes 1 by 4 z dz, and the value of t square becomes z square plus 3 by 4. Substituting all these values in fx, we get fx as minus 1 by 4 t dt becomes z dz upon 3t square plus 4, 3t square plus 4, that is z square plus 3 by 4 plus 4, and we have put 4t square minus 3 as z square, this becomes z. into z, and this becomes minus 1/4. ये 4 ऊपर चला गया तो 4z dz अपॉन 3z स्क्वायर 9 16 25, 3z स्क्वायर प्लस 25 इंटू z, z से z कैंसल, 4 से 4 कैंसल. नाउ it becomes the form of dz by 3z square plus 25. And we know integration of dx upon x square plus a square equal 1 by a tan inverse x by. इसके लिए x स्क्वायर के साथ कोई कोफिशिएंट नहीं होना चाहिए. Then we can write it as free from 3, that is z dz by z square plus 5 upon root 3 का whole square, and the value of this integration becomes 1 by a, that is root 3 by 5 tan inverse x by a, that is z upon 5 upon root 3 plus c. Therefore fx becomes 1 by 5 root 3 minus 1 upon 5 root 3 tan inverse plus c, and putting the value of z, we can write it as tan inverse root 3 by 5 and z as a square root of 4t square minus 3, a square root of 4t square minus 3 square root plus c, and the value of t is 1 by x, that is this becomes minus 1 upon 5 root 3 tan inverse root 3 upon 5, 1 by x, that is 4 minus 3x square square root upon x plus c. And according to question, it is given that f0 equals 0. From here we can find the value of c. Given f0 equals 0, therefore f0 at x equals 0, this becomes minus 1 upon 5 root 3, and this becomes tan inverse, नीचे 0 है, infinite, and this becomes pi by 2 plus c, and f0 is 0 equal minus pi upon 10 root 3 plus c. Therefore the value of c becomes pi by 10 root 3. This is the value of f. This is the value of c. Therefore f of x becomes minus 1 by 5 root 3 tan inverse 4 minus 3x square by x plus pi by 10 root 3. शायद यही है, pi by 10 root. This is the value of our fx. Now f1, and then comparing both sides by putting at x equal 1. We get f1 minus 1 upon 5 root 3 tan inverse √3/5 एट x इक्वल 1, 4 में 3 गया 1 बटा 1 प्लस पाई बाई 10√3 एंड दिस इज 1 बाई अल्फा बीटा। तो हमारे पास कांस्टेंट के रूप में f1 कुछ नहीं दिया हुआ है, हमें इस फॉर्म में पहले लाना होगा, यानी 5√3 अगर कॉमन ले लें 1/5√3, this becomes pi by 2 minus tan inverse √3/5, and this gives cot inverse √3/5, which becomes 1/5 √. Therefore, f1 becomes 1/5 √3 tan inverse 5/√3, and this is 1/alpha beta tan inverse alpha by beta. Comparing both sides, we get alpha equal 5, beta equal square root of 3. Therefore, alpha square plus beta square 25 plus 3 equal 28. This is the required answer of the given question, and in option there is no option. This is the question of fill in the blanks type. Therefore, the required answer of the given question is the value of alpha square plus beta square is 28. This is the required answer of the given question, and hope you will understood it well. Best of luck.